Hey guys, and today I'm going to teach you how to design origami using color change technique. Before I start this video, I recommend you watch this video first because I will explain how you can design even if you are a beginner in origami in this video. So without further ado, let's start. To design a color change model, you should always keep in mind that edge of the paper are the crucial area when it comes to color change design. So there are many different ways to design a color change model. I can't show it all in this video, but I will teach you the way I use. First, ready fold, mountain fold, reverse fold, outside reverse fold, silver fold, plate fold, squash fold, and inside out fold. So as you can see, color change are always changed between two color only. So the model you design should be in two color only. And today we are going to design a worry emoji using color change. First we're going to look at the picture. So we can see that we have 5 spots that we need to do color change. So we need to find a origami base to fulfill this, and we can look at the base right here. So I think we go for fish face and windmill base because these both are the base we can use for the emoji. So I'm going to go for fish face because this is the base I'm familiar with. So here we have a fish base, and as you can see we have 4 flaps, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need 5. We can make it into 5. So I will talk about this later. And so you can see these 2 flaps here stick out. So these 2 flaps will be the eyes, and so we're going to make the eyes. So what we're going to do actually is do something like something that is flat. So for example, something look like this, a square. So going to have something like this fold. So to create that flat round circle to create it. So going to do something like this and that. So you have this, and so we going to make the eyebrows. So the eyebrows, we need to have 2 eyebrows, right? So here we have only 1 point. So remember that I say in the start of the video, I say that the edge of paper are the crucial area when you design a color change model. So we're going to stretch these 2 edge here to this side. So when you stretch these 2, this point should directly going down to this part. So we're going to do a sink fold. So we're going to do a fold like this, and just make those fold here into multi-fold like this, and then just collect it this way, right? So now we can move the edge very freely like this. So when you look at the picture, you can see the eyebrows should is like this angle, about this angle, so we can take the edge until this area because it will limit the movement. So kind of just do a shear fold, right, to make it have that angle. So if you do a shear fold like this, you just open the layer to get that line come out, so you can see that's the eyebrow. So you basically done the same thing, right, this side, and after that the last part is the mouth. So you can see the mouth have a curve which is pointing upwards, so it like a set face. So we're going to use the corner of the paper because a point usually use because the corner is a point. So what we're going to do is folding this up. We should get the so we're going to fold this up and fold this down. So in this situation we're not using corners, but we can use it to like make that color change. So I'm going to do a fold. So actually this kind of thing you just need to experiment it yourself. So I just simply make a fold like this. So now I have this triangle right here, and just make that curve. So I need to shape it. So basically it's look like this. So I just did some fold to make that, and so we just need to shape nice like this, and just shape around. So just shape the model to make it round. And you have just make that emoji. So basically what I want to tell you is Carlson is really just you need to experiment with the fold. So you need to use folds to create the color change. So this is the end of the video. So if you like this video, don't forget to click thumbs up and also share this video to your friends so they can learn how to design using color change. And by the way, I'm not a master in color change, I just share my own experience. So don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.